Okay, it seems I'm live. So there is one issue now. I'm going live on a hotel Wi-Fi network. I don't know how stable it is. So I'm still trying. Apart from that, maybe if it doesn't work, I will go on mobile network. So there might be some lag. I'm not sure. I can see it's good. It's going good here, and so that's great. After a long time, I'm coming live. Oh, we went live in between, right? I guess on Wednesday. Great. So we got five people watching this, waiting for some more people to join. Again, the thing is, I don't have a tripod here today. I forgot to bring my tripod here. As I mentioned, I'm in Bangalore now, and I'm using a selfie stick. So finally, I'm using something which is for selfie for the live chat, right? Okay, so this is how we have to do, right? Okay, so great. Okay, so let's pick up some questions. In fact, before going for some questions, let's talk about something else. So, yes, as I mentioned, I'm in Bangalore and I'm here for a seminar and a meetup. And then on Monday, I'm going to a college for a seminar as well. After that, I have a plan to, just and see some sites in Bangalore. So yes, the meetup which is arranged tomorrow, which is from 2 to 5. For that, we had some registration, and people who have done registration only they will get the chance. Want to meet me in Bangalore? Make sure. So do let me know in the comment section so that we can have what do you say meetup where somewhere around in this place. So let's do it. Okay, so we got 166 people watching this. Come on, click on the like button there. Okay, if you like my sessions, click on that like button. Okay, great. So we got the first question, which is, what is Hadoop? I'm listening this word very frequently nowadays. That's right. Hadoop is not something very new. I have learned Hadoop in 2005, I guess. Yeah, 2005. It's very old actually. It's not new, but yes, currently it is getting very famous. You can thanks to data science and thanks to the huge amount of data we have. So basically, we have this concept of big data. There are a lot of companies they are generating huge amount of data. So what they want is they want a way to store this data somewhere, and so they thought, okay, so let's do it. Let's store data in database, right? So we have huge amount of data, but the data which you have with you should make some sense, and that's where they thought, okay, let's do some processing on it, and that's where we have these different frameworks which you can work on big data. One of them is Hadoop, right? We also have Spark, and yes, it is getting okay. Something went wrong, and I don't know how the streaming is now. I don't know if the live will be good today because I'm so my Wi-Fi, the hotel Wi-Fi has stopped working. Now I've moved to the mobile network. I don't know how stable it is. Uh, so maybe we should be doing live later. Let me just check on my other phone if it is going good. How is it? Okay, if it is going good, then I will surely do now. Otherwise, I have to do it afterwards. Let me just check it on my phone. How it's going? Okay, people are saying good. Is it good for what? Good. The live session is going good. Live session is going good. Okay, it seems good. There's nothing, no problem there. Live session is going good. Okay, there's a lag in my video. There's nothing, no problem there. Is it? There's a lag? No, it's going. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so next question is, bro. I have started YouTube channel to teach software courses in Tamil, Telugu, and English. Because you are inspiration. I hope your channel will reach 1 million subscribers. Oh, thank you so much. So this is Let's Make Learning Simple. Okay, so we got this new channel where you can learn all the software courses for free, of course, and in Tamil, Telugu, and English. That's great. All the best for your career, for your future subscribers. Okay. So best thing to learn in 2018. See, when you say best thing, there's so many things. Earlier days we used to have limited options, but nowadays we have so many options to work with. We have big data, we have AI, we have blockchain, we have Android, we have full stack development. There are so many options, and everything is suitable in 2018 as well. See, apart from some technologies, most of them are still relevant, right? So I would say go for anything you like. It doesn't matter what you choose. Example, even if you choose Android, that's a good thing. Android is still best. For web development, if you're going for full stack development, that is still good. If you're going for, let's say, Hadoop, is still good. So choose what you like the most. Now I know this is one question. People are confused what technology to work on. How do you select the technology? And that's why nowadays I'm doing this meetup where I can talk to people in person, understand their perspective towards technology, and maybe I can talk about different stuff. What exactly you should be doing. So that's my future plan. So I will be doing a lot of meetups, and maybe I will be making some more videos on how to choose a technology. But just to give you some tips here, what I would do if I'm at your place. So the first step I would do is I would get I will learn whatever comes in front of me. Let's say if someone says, "Hey, learn Hadoop." So what I will do is I will spend 1 week at least. Okay, 1 week at least, maybe learning 2 hours a day and understanding different aspects of Hadoop. Okay, so how exactly it works, where it can be used. Not entirely, of course, you cannot complete the entire Hadoop in 1 week, but the basics, right? The basics. What is Hadoop? How it works, and what companies are using it. Then you will go for, let's say, blockchain. You will spend 1 week on blockchain. You will spend 1 week on AI. Of course, you cannot even learn 1% of AI in 1 week, but at least you know the basics now. Now, once you know the basics, in next 1 month, you can actually analyze, okay, in which technology you are seeing your future, right? And maybe, of course, you will not get one. You might choose two or three. Then go with that. Learn everything parallelly or one after the other. See, if you are a college student, you have a lot of time to spend, right? You have so much time to actually learn something. Because once you join the industry, you will not get enough time because there are so many projects to work on. You will be having pressure from your clients, from your boss. So I would say if you're a college student, then it's the best time to learn something new. Okay, next one, Java 10 videos. The thing is, after Java 9, since it is changing so fast, every day you are getting something new. In fact, every 6 months. I was thinking about making Java 10 videos, but then Java 11 is coming on the way now, and it doesn't make sense now. So once Java 11 comes into picture, I will try to make more videos. Okay, so if you are enjoying this type of sessions, okay, so if you are enjoying this session, let me know in the so click on like button there, guys. Come on, click on like button. Okay. Yeah, okay, there's one more thing I have to talk about. In fact, I'll be making a separate video on this because last week when I uploaded a video on that Google, Apple, they don't need college degree. See, by no means I'm saying that college degree is not required, okay? College degree is still applicable for every company. But things are changing. That's the point was things are changing. You cannot, so maybe next 3 to 4 years, things might change. Companies might prefer people who have a better experience than a degree, right? Now it is happening from these colleges, this companies like Google, Apple, and they will not be doing that soon. It will take some time. Okay, they have to analyze how the procedure will be going on, but at least they are thinking in that way, right? So college degree is important, but with that also improve your skills. Without skills, it's of no use. College is of no use without skills. Okay, someone says, please continue your best work. Is it Keshav King? Oh, thank you so much. I will do that. Best thing to learn, we have talked about that. Okay, please respond future of automation testing. Future of automation is still good. As per my vision, is still good. But then you cannot, maybe in next 3 to 4 years, there will be something new, right, which might replace it. But as of now it's still good, so I'm not that much into automation, so I cannot exactly talk about the stuff which are going on, but the place from where I'm understanding this aspect, so they are saying it's still good. uh, Okay, so a complete video learning course of Kotlin, like you are uploading Python. Okay, in fact, I got a separate mail on this. Okay, so I got a mail that someone's, okay, I forgot the name, but in the mail, they mentioned about, I mean, he mentioned about, if I'm not wrong, he mentioned about that stuff about Python. He liked my Python videos, the work which I'm doing, and he want to learn Kotlin, so he want me to change. He want me to recreate the Kotlin course, the same as you. uh, so he want me to do that. Okay, so he want me to make videos for Kotlin just like I did for Python. And thank you so much for that suggestion. In fact, I was thinking about making Java videos at least in Python way, but there's one little problem. The one problem is, it takes so much of time to make those type of videos. Okay, see, recording a screen, uploading it on YouTube is damn easy, which I'm feeling now. The moment you have your face and screen, you want to merge it, you want to cut it, removing the green screen, putting some animation, it takes so much of efforts, right? And that too, these videos are not something which will get a lot of views, right? Maybe people are not going for Python as of, I mean, they're not watching, not everyone will watch Python videos, right? Of course, when you make a general videos like, talking about Google, talking about a different aspect like company preparations, there's something which everyone watch, right? It takes a lot of time to do this stuff, and so the only way you can help me here is share my videos with your friends, share the channel with your friends on Facebook, on WhatsApp. It will surely help the channel in some way, one way or the other. See, I'm not something who is looking for subscribers. I'm just looking for people who can learn from my videos. Okay, if I'm working so hard, I want my work to be there for everyone. Okay, I want everyone to learn from these videos. Okay, subscribers doesn't matter now. So once you cross, let's say one like subscribers, it doesn't matter how much subscribers you have now. Okay, so next question is any advice of IBM interview? Make sure that your basics are clear. Work on data structures, work on SQL concepts, work on networking concepts. Basics are important. Okay. Django videos, sir. Okay, we'll try that. Okay, I have downloaded all your videos, which is very helpful. Okay, so don't download the videos. Come on, guys. Don't download videos. If you want, you can make the videos offline on YouTube. Don't download. It's one step towards piracy, right? It's not a good thing. Uh, okay. Life of Android. You want to make a movie on that? Life of Android. Future aspect is good. Future of Android is very good, right? Because people are moving from web to mobile, right? So because we spend more time on mobile phones than on a laptop, right? So that's important. Okay. Hi, sir. Mean stack developer demand in Bangalore. Yes, it has a good demand. Mean stack is still famous. Okay, why you never talk about Linux DevOps? Do you hate? No, I don't hate that. See, the thing is, I'm not someone who knows everything, right? Of course, I'm not. I'm not Rajnikant or Superman here. So I don't know everything. So the things which I know, I talk about those stuff. It's not that I don't know about Linux or AWS or DevOps. It's just that so AWS I can talk about it, but Linux and DevOps is something which I use. Okay, I'm not a master on it. I don't want to talk about something which I don't know much. So, okay, talk about blockchain. Yes, I'll be making more videos on blockchain. Once I go back to Mumbai, I will be studying blockchain series. Okay, so as I promised, I'm almost completing my Python series. Okay, so it's almost there. Few videos are there for Python. Once I complete that, I will start with blockchain. Okay. Okay, the only thing is today we cannot go live for a long time because I'm using a tripod and my hands are paining holding it. Okay, so future of PHP. I was never a big fan of PHP before and now as well. I can't talk about much about it. Okay, is Telusko the Telugu word? Yes, it's a Telugu word. Any session for blockchain? Yes, my videos will be on the way for blockchain. I'm also planning to do some meetups only for blockchain. Let's see how that goes. May not be free meetups, maybe some paid meetups, because the thing is, when you say meetup, there are a lot of investments which goes on. The place you have to book the room. I mean the session room. I have to travel. So it will be a paid one, but not very heavily. Okay, so it will be for more for students, right? So it will be cheap for sure. Okay. Can you please speak about AWS? I do have videos on AWS, right? So you can just watch them. So go to playlist and do watch my AWS videos. Okay, so what's your mother tongue? It's Telugu. Where do you teach? I'm in Mumbai, so I take most of the thing in Mumbai itself. Any meetups in Chennai? Yes, we are in planning phase for Chennai. Nothing is fixed yet. Okay, how to work with? Oh, it went up. Was it machine learning or something? Okay, Java versus Python. Okay, so I will be making a video for Java versus Python. Okay, because it's very frequent. I love both. Both are good. Both are platform independent. Both have almost the same features, right? Okay. Have bought your Spring tutorials. I have seen all the videos. Now I'm good to go with project right now. Yes, you're good to go. So the thing is, no videos are enough to learn something. Okay, so it doesn't matter from where you buy videos. It's nothing is enough. So you need to work on projects to actually understand this stuff completely. Okay, if you don't work on a project, it's of no use. Kalyan meetup soon. We'll do it. We'll do that. So we'll do Kalyan meetup as well. Okay, last one question and then we're good to go for two reasons. One, I'm holding a tripod, I'm holding a selfie stick which is not that comfortable, and I'm also using mobile network and it will get over soon. So, last one question or two questions, then we'll end. Okay. I like your videos. Can you suggest for 10 plus experience? Oh, that's good. You have 10 plus experience. Awesome. I'm good with Spring. What should I go for? A lot of confusion. Blockchain, ML. See, the thing is, it's again, as I mentioned, it's your interest, right? Example, machine learning is something which is booming, right? Everyone talking about AI, machine learning. Of course, it's one of the best thing which is coming on the way. But do you like it? Example, I'm not a big fan of AI as of now. It's not that I don't like it. I do like it, but I'm not that passionate about AI and machine learning. I'm more passionate about blockchain. Okay, so if you give me a choice, blockchain, AI, I will go for blockchain. But on the other hand, one of my friend, he's die-hard fan of AI. He's doing AI from last, let's say, 6 years, I guess, or 5 years. 5 years, I guess. 2000, yeah, 5 years. And then he's amazing with AI ML, right? So of course that his choice is to work with AI and ML. We have to stop now. So that's it, everyone. I know I was not able to answer all your questions. Maybe I will try to go live tomorrow. In fact, we are going live tomorrow. So in the meetup, whatever I will talk about, I will try to go live on, not on this channel. I will go live on my another channel, which is Navin Reddy, because this channel is very I don't want to mess with this channel, so I have another channel where I will go live. So make sure that you have liked you have subscribed the Navin Reddy channel. I will also try to go live on Facebook. So just make sure that you like that Facebook page as well. That's where we will doing live session. So we'll do live again. We'll go for QA session again later. Not today. Something is going wrong with the Wi-Fi or the mobile network. So that's it, everyone. We'll try to go live again. So thank you so much. The only thing is 300 people are watching this. I'm feeling bad to say bye to everyone. I think we should spend more time. Okay, is it going good? Okay, so look, let's spend more time. Okay, let's do it. Let's see if it gets disconnected automatically, then we are done. Okay, next question. Is your Python videos is enough for machine learning? Not exactly. It is not enough. Okay, my Python videos are not. In fact, no Python videos are enough for machine learning, because when you watch Python videos, you will understand the basics of it, how to use libraries. But for machine learning, we have some special libraries. You have to learn those as well. But it is good to start with. Okay, it is good to start with. So once again, if you are just came to this video, just click on like button there. I hope you're enjoying the video. I'm not saying much likes there. That's fine. Okay, how can I master trees? You're talking about data structures by working with it. The more you work, the more you will understand trees. Okay, let me see if it is going good. Okay, Kotlin or Java Android? I would say at this point to go for Kotlin. Kotlin is good. You can also go for Java. I would always prefer Java before Kotlin because it will give you a better understanding of the overall technology behind it. Okay, so some Akash says, I'm confused, sir. I'm saying that every new technology is coming every day. So I'm worried about my future. That's the thing, the technology is changing very fast. In fact, I feel every company is just trying to show, we are the best one in the industry. They are making something new. Sometime Google says I will do this. Sometime Facebook says I will do this. Everyone have their own way of working, and then we got some open source technology. Yes, we are getting confused. Even see, I am on the same path. Okay, sometimes even I do get confused, but you need to choose one. Okay, you need to choose one. You don't have a choice. You cannot simply say I want to be master of everything. See, you can learn everything. Okay, that's not a bad thing. Try to spend time on different technologies. You may not be mastering it, but knowing the basics will be helpful anytime. So example, let me just give you an example. When I started my career as a developer, I used to visit colleges for these sessions. Sometime I used to do guest lectures. I used to visit some colleges and do some sessions. Sometime I was giving sessions which I don't like, subjects like network security, software testing, or software engineering. This is not something which I loved. But they said, okay, you have to talk about software testing. Okay, I said, okay, we'll do it. As a fresher in the industry, I said, okay, let's learn all this stuff. So I learned about software testing. I learned about network security. I was knowing about those stuff, but not in detail so that I can talk about it. So I learned it, and now somewhere, though all those concepts are helping me. Example, when I was learning blockchain, thanks to that network security subject which I was teaching, because in that subject I was talking about cryptography, I was talking about hashing. It is helpful now, right? So whatever you learn will be always helpful in future. That's one thing you can take away. Okay, mean stack feature is good as I mentioned. Okay, scope of infrastructure services. I can't talk much about that. Collab, right? Yes, I am on the verge of doing collaboration with some people. You will get the news soon. Okay. I don't want to do collab with anyone. Let's see, the channel which matches with this channel. There should be some win-win situation for everyone. That's the thing. Okay. How to work with Android Firebase? Google Firebase and Android. Uh, I don't have a video on that, but surely there should be videos on YouTube. You know what you should do when you want to know when you want to learn something new? Just go to YouTube and search for the topic. There should be videos on that. Uh, Julia better than Python? Not sure. Not worked on Julia. Flutter versus React Native. I would say Flutter. React Native is good, but the only thing is Flutter is by Google, right? And when Google does something, it's amazing always. Okay, next, AWS or Azure. I would always go for AWS because see, sometimes you have to trust the company which you work with. I have a big trust in Amazon, but not on Microsoft because even I feel sometimes Microsoft don't have a trust in itself. Okay, even Microsoft get confused what to do, what not to do. So AWS is like booming. Pixel is not amazing, sir. Is it Pixel? You're talking about phone or the resolution? I'm not sure. Uh, how to find crazy app ideas? Okay, see the thing is there are different ways of generating ideas. The first way of generating ideas is copying others. Okay, that's what most of us do, right? So we try to copy this stuff from maybe from US based apps or some existing apps, and then you do some modification and then you make it yours. That's a good way of doing it, but then it's not something very new, right? It's not something you're trying to solve a world problem. For me, the crazy ideas is to solve the real life issues. In real life, you have so many issues. You just need to solve them. Okay, look around you. Look around your places, talk to your parents, talk to your friends, talk to different people, understand their problem. And can you solve that problem using technology? That's the question. Okay, you are a problem solver. You are someone who can solve the world issues. Okay, trust me, we are someone who can solve any issue, of course, with the help of technology. So try to solve them, not just with the help of softwares. Maybe you can help them with the help of hardware, hardware and software, you know, working together. So you can do that. Maybe you can make some robotic applications, maybe IoT. So crazy app ideas for me is just to solve people's problem. Because if you can solve the problem, people will use your software like anything. Maybe they are ready to pay for the software as well. Example, there are some software which I use, it is paid software. It's not because I can afford them, it's not because I wanted to pay for them. But the moment I started using those apps, the productivity has increased, right? So nothing wrong with that, paying for that. Okay, so what advice for third year student you will give? So if you're in third year, do internship. Okay, internship is very important. Do internship, do some certification if you can. See, Java certification, Python certification, those are very normal stuff now. Don't just stick to old stuff. Learn technology, not just language. Learn technology, like learn blockchain, learn AI, learn Android development from start to end, learn maybe full stack development. Do that and do internship. That's very important. And if you're not getting internship, do the project by yourself, but keep doing something. Okay, next one. Best learning source for ML. I would say go to Coursera. Coursera is a good place, or edx.org. There you will get good courses for thing. Okay, Java versus Python. I would say you can choose anything. You can learn Java from scratch. You can learn Python from scratch. Uh, but Python is easy to learn, so you can go with that first. Okay, do they take blockchain in India? Unis what? Uses or something? Blockchain is coming to India as well. There are so many companies they are adopting blockchain. You know, every day, maybe not every day, but once in a while, I do get latest update on blockchain. Which company is going for that? So go with that. Okay, last 2 minutes and then we are good to go because we already didn't be done with half an hour. I don't want to go today because there are so many people watching this. But we'll do live again. Don't worry, we'll go live tomorrow as well. You can watch me talking to uh, subscribers live one to one. Uh, So thanks for your support. You know, I'm really happy that so many people have subscribed to the channel. So many people are enjoying my videos. It's helping them. So this is something which I can give to society, right? So thank you once again, everyone. See you in the next live session. So I'm very tired now. So okay, so bye bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next live session. Bye bye. Okay, so before going, let me just say bye to everyone. Okay, bye bye. Bye, Vaibhav. I guess the same Vaibhav where we met in Hyderabad. Okay. Good night, everyone. Good night.